put it on a paper towel because, you know, I don't know what's going to fall out of this thing. But I'm going to sit here and I'm going to peel this thing apart. And I just got me a, you know, pair of pliers. I'm just going to sit and peel it apart. And just see, you know, what comes out of it. So I just kind of grabbed the metal right there and started giving it a twist. It's not very thick metal. I'm just going to see what I can do about getting that off of there. Just going to give it a slow pull, slow twist. I see little other little cells in there. Let me just give it a good pull here. Yeah, see that little edge there was kind of folded on and pressed on itself. And, oh, there we go. So, if you notice, there's other little battery cells in there. Let me take that little bottom cardboard piece off there. It's like a little corroded cardboard piece. And there's little cells, little battery cells. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in there. And they're attached in different ways. It's got plastic around it. Let's see if I can take that plastic off. And this thing here, like each one of these sides, when I lift it up like that, oops, that one kind of snapped. But this one's connected on this corner one here, and that one's connected on that corner one. So I guess it goes like negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, something like that. But each one of these little batteries is connected to each other. Let me cut through this plastic here. That's a nice little tough plastic. I'm glad to see it's tough. They like to make them tough, which I think that's wonderful. Look at that. Okay, there's writing on them. I can barely make out the writing though. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, good. Whew, look at that. So you can see how they're connected. They're connected in series. Whew. So that's what the inside of a 9-volt battery looks like. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little batteries that are connected in series. When I say series, I mean one after another. Right. So from that connector to that connector runs through a series of 6 little batteries. Look at that. Now I'm going to have to throw that away and wash my hands because I've been touching it, and wash my pliers too. But that's what the inside of a 9-volt battery looks like. And these things, it's got writing on there, but I can barely read it. But I don't want to take those apart. It's getting a little deeper in than I really wanted to. Alright, so that's interesting, isn't it? I'm going to go ahead and pause it here because I don't know what else to say or what else to talk about other than wash your hands when you get done, because you don't want to be touching this kind of stuff and rub your eye, your battery acid in your eye, or on your clothes or whatever, or on the camera. So make sure you use a clean finger to turn that camera off. Talk to you later.